Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to learn pop music dance, updated. Start by choosing a simple choreography and focus on rhythm and musicality. Practice short 8-count phrases slowly, then gradually speed up as consistency improves. Record yourself to spot timing and posture issues and compare takes to measure progress. Use a mirror or phone angle that mimics performance perspective to refine lines, energy, and facial connection for a complete pop dance. Warm up rhythm with clapping and counting before moving into footwork and isolations. Focus on clean technique, tight accents, and relaxed shoulders to look effortless on camera. Work on timing by slowing sections to half speed, then bring them up to tempo once they feel natural. Layer musicality by listening for vocal cues and instrumental fills to place accents and small stylistic details that make pop choreography pop. Set a consistent practice routine that balances repetition, technique drills, and creative play. Start sessions with warm-ups, then focus on one phrase for 10 to 15 minutes, and finish with a full run to build endurance. Rotate between slow practice, tempo practice, and freestyle to keep training engaging and well-rounded. Rest and recovery days are important to avoid burnout and let muscle memory consolidate what you learned each week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.